One sunny afternoon, Maya was sitting in her living room when she noticed a moving truck pull up next door. A new neighbor was moving in. Curious, she watched as a young man, about her age, stepped out of the truck and started directing the movers. He seemed friendly, smiling, and chatting with the movers as they carried boxes into the house. Maya decided to go over and introduce herself. She grabbed a plate of freshly baked cookies, hoping it would be a good way to break the ice. When she stepped outside, the new neighbor was standing on the lawn, wiping sweat from his forehead after moving a heavy box. "Hi there," Maya called out. "I'm Maya. Welcome to the neighborhood." The man turned around, looking pleasantly surprised. "Oh, hi. I'm Ryan. Thanks. It's nice to meet you." Maya handed him the plate of cookies. "I thought you might like a snack after all that hard work." Ryan laughed. "Wow, thanks. These look amazing." "You didn't have to do that, but I really appreciate it." They chatted for a few minutes about the neighborhood, local shops, and restaurants. Ryan mentioned that he had just moved to the city for a new job and didn't know many people yet. Maya could tell he was excited but also a little nervous about settling in. "Well, if you ever need anything, feel free to knock on my door," Maya said warmly. "This is a great area, and I'm sure you'll love it here." "That means a lot," Ryan replied. "I might take you up on that." A few days later, Maya was working in her garden when she heard a knock at her door. It was Ryan, looking a little embarrassed but smiling. "Hey, Maya," he said. "I'm sorry to bother you, but I was wondering if you had a hammer I could borrow. I'm trying to hang some pictures, and I can't seem to find mine." Maya smiled. "Of course. Come on in, I'll grab it for you." She found the hammer and handed it to Ryan. "Feel free to keep it as long as you need, thanks so much." "I'll bring it back soon, I promise," Ryan said gratefully. Over the next few weeks, Maya and Ryan ran into each other more often, whether it was grabbing coffee at the local cafe or bumping into each other at the grocery store. Each time, they'd stop and chat for a while, and soon they became good friends. They started hanging out on weekends, exploring the city together, and getting to know more of their neighbors. Maya never expected that introducing herself to a new neighbor would lead to such a close friendship, but she was glad she had. Sometimes, it only takes a simple act of kindness to make someone feel at home.
Now it's quiz time. What did Maya bring to Ryan when she introduced herself? A cake, B, cookies, C, coffee, D, flowers. Answer, B, cookies. What was Ryan doing when Maya approached him? A, unpacking boxes, B, directing movers, C, painting the house, D, sitting on the porch. Answer, B, directing movers. Why did Ryan visit Maya's house? A, to return her cookies, B, to ask for directions, C, to borrow a hammer, D, to invite her to dinner. Answer, C, to borrow a hammer. Where did Maya and Ryan bump into each other after meeting? A, at the grocery store, B, in the garden, C, at a cafe, D, at the park. Answer, C, at a cafe. What did Maya and Ryan develop over time? A business, B, a friendship, C, a rivalry, D, a project. Answer, B, a friendship.
Now it's vocabulary time. Introduce, meaning, to present someone to another person for the first time. Curious, meaning, eager to learn or know more about something or someone. Borrow, meaning, to take or use something that belongs to someone else, with the intention of returning it. Chat, meaning, to talk informally with someone, usually in a casual, friendly way. Friendship, meaning, a relationship of mutual trust, support, and affection between people.